this is how I make my what's typically called a leaping arch for my Christmas lights. I have a 15-foot piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe where I took a 10-foot section and another 10-foot section, cut it in half, leaving me one 5-foot section, and I got a 1/2-inch coupling. Now this will give me roughly about eye level, so it's a little bit over a 5-foot arch. Now here in the ground I have 3/8 rebar. I bought a 10-foot stick of it and I cut it into 2-foot sections. Got 1 foot in the ground and about 1 foot goes inside the pipe. And between the bases is about 8 foot. Now each section I have marked off. It's going to have 8 sections of lights on it, and I'm going to use these 100 count lights I got from Walmart. I went with these because they have the white bases and white strings. They're not the best lights, but if you take care of them, they'll last pretty good time. So let's get started wrapping them. The first thing I do is I have some white electrical tape. The white blends in better with the whole white pipe and white light strings. And I will take the female end, tape it off, and I'm going to try to put all the ends towards the back of the pipe. This is going to be away from the viewing people, towards the house actually. And then I will start wrapping the lights around the pipe. Now once I get a couple wraps on it, I'll come back and actually tighten them up, because you don't want any gaps in there, so it'll create a mass effect of lights instead of a gapped open effect of lights. Now this 20-inch section took me about 15-20 minutes to wrap up. Make sure it's good and tight, make sure all the lights are facing out. Now once I got to the end, I got the white electrical tape and I got the cord on the back side. Now I run that cord down the pipe, and where the plug is, I put some more electrical tape on it. Now I give a little bit of slack here because I'm going to keep on wrapping more lights, and I want this out of the way and it'll be hidden. Once I get all the lights in, I might be able to put some electrical tape on it. And I just run it all the way down to the bottom. And this is the leftover. Now this is going to run back to my control box. Now if you remember, when I made these extension cords, I numbered each one of them. This is number 4, and it's one of the top ones. So the next one I'll do on the other side will be number 3, or number 5, excuse me, be number 5.